Hello y'all, thanks for tuning in. I was going to do a PS5 HDMI port replacement. During the prep work, the whole thing just tumbled out. So we got the new port ready, old port out. Let's get it on. And we gotta hurry, we're getting bombarded with calls. And yes, we took care of the liquid metal. Alright, we are back in action. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Every little thing helps. Memberships available, store now open. Refurbish units available. And I'm gonna go ahead and continue this and get this done. But thanks again for tuning in.